For year 8, you need to learn OpenOffice 2. After learning OpenOffice for WAM, Writer, and Impress, in OpenOffice 2, there are two main parts. OpenOffice Calculator. It's just like the Microsoft Excel. So it's called spreadsheet. Okay, my spelling I need to check. Okay, spreadsheet. Okay, you should write like this, spreadsheet. Okay, and then next part is database by using OpenOffice. You have already learned about MS Access database. In OpenOffice, you can also do the database by using OpenOffice. Firstly, you need to learn OpenOffice Calculator. It's just like the Microsoft Excel. Okay, now it's just like the Microsoft Excel. In your dashboard, the scope is here. These are the scope from your tab, from your dashboard, from your reference book, from your reference books. Okay, you need to learn data entry. You need to learn how to fill auto feature. You need to learn formatting a cell. You can format a cell according to type, font, alignment, and also background. You can do as you like. And then you need to know how to rename your sheet, and then you need to know the using of function, how to use the function, and then how to draw charts. Okay, shall we go together? Firstly, you can open directly from OpenOffice, one of the OpenOffice. You can directly go to new and then spreadsheet, and you can also go the presentation from here. Okay, now spreadsheet. I'll go to a spreadsheet. Here is a spreadsheet. Data entry, for example, you can type as you like. This one rectangle is called cell. Okay, there are a lot of cell. Okay, as your interest, you should find how many cells in a spreadsheet. You can search in the internet. Okay, please, you should search. Sorry, okay, please, sorry, exit. Okay, now data entry you can do. If you click the title is this called the A colon, B colon, C colon. If you click the A, the selects maybe all the whole columns, or the whole, and this A colon, a lot of rows, all the rows from this, and maybe from A1 to this the number of rows. Okay, number of row is here. Number of column you can check. So AM like this. Okay. So data entry is very simple. For example, name, student, student ID like this. You can write by clicking the cursor, by clicking any cell, by putting the cursor in the cell. You can write as you like this. Okay, that's called data entry into a cell. Okay, if you write something, your location, this B1, if you write here, your location is row number 2 and column number C2. That's your cell location is here. Okay, if so, for example, that's called data entry. That's, you can write as you like. You can enter the data as you like. For example, another thing that's called data entry. Another thing, you need to know autofill. For example, autofill for 1, 2. The difference between these two values is just only 1. 2, 4. The difference between these two numbers is the difference is 2. Okay, autofill. If you want to do autofill, please let 1 to this the gap is 1 from 1 and 2. The gap is 1. The difference is 1 from 2 and 4. The gap is 2. Okay, the difference is 2. For example, I want to write even number from 2 to 10. From 2 to 20. You don't need to write. You just need to use autofill features. If you want to use, please select two cell. The difference is 2 cell, and then go to the right bottom corner. Okay, this. Okay, if your mouse pointer sign changes to the small plus sign, not the pointing sign, just changes to the point sign, it's ready to use autofill feature. Okay, now this plus signs, and then please click and drop down, clicks, okay, changes to 30. Okay, you don't need to write by individual cells for sys like this. You don't need to write. It's called autofill features. Okay, now I'll show you another one. 1, 2. The gap is 1. The difference is 1. Please select not only 1. This selecting only 1. If you select click and drag, okay. If you select click and drag like this, there's selecting. Left click and dragging, pressing and drop down like this is called dragging. You click and then continue your press and then dropping. That's called sliding. Okay, you can select a lot of cells like this, clicking and dragging. Okay, now please select 2 cells and then go to the right corner at the bottom. Okay, now changes to the plus sign. If your pointer change to plus sign, that's ready to use autofill features. Okay, that's called autofill. Okay, your interface, your gap is just only 1. You can use 1, 5 like this. Okay, please select 2 cell and then go to the bottom right corner. Okay, and then now changes the plus sign. You can use autofill features. Okay, 1, 5, 9. The difference is 1 and 5 is 4. So always 2 gap is changing plus 4 like this. If you want to do 5 interface, okay, you can do 0, 5, 10. That's called the difference is 5. Okay, you can also move by sliding this and then like this. You can also move by clicking and dragging. You understand? Okay, that's called autofill feature. And then shall we go to the data type formatting? If you want to do a format, please go to the format tab. Okay, for example, I'll use this just like the currency. Okay, please select this cell from C2 to C16 and then go to format and then format set. I'm writing a cell, so I want to format this cell. Okay, now numbering. Okay, I want to use just like the currency, so I change the currency English USD. Okay, I'll change. Okay, no problem. Please choose as you like. For example, there's pound or dollar, anything, it's okay. Korean yen, Japanese yen, okay, one, okay, as you like, you can do. That's yen, and also you can choose currency and dollar as you like, okay. It's called dollar, yen, dollar. It's called changes the formats, okay. Everything you can write it's always changed. You can also previous please select here and then format cell numberings and currency, not the currency, for example percent, okay, percent decimal place to, you can choose as you like. Now I write 1%, 12%, 13, just only you write 13, that's automatically 13%. If you write 80, it's automatically 80%, because you have already defined before you writing, you have already defined your data format as percentage, so it's called the data type formatting, okay. And then you can also use the font type formatting. You write in a cell, so you have to choose save from the format tab, save, and then go to your font, okay. Now my font is here, okay. You can choose as you like, now area, okay, area blacks. Now the font size is 15, like this bold and italics you can use, and the font effect you can use. Alignment also you can use, if you use the alignments like okay, alignment like this, your font style may be changed like this, but I select only one cell, so just only one cell is changing. If you want to do the same format, you can use the format paintbrush, and then please select drag and drop, that automatically changes to your desire, okay, changes to the condition as your desire. It's called font changing, okay. And then another is alignment. You can do the alignments. Please select one of the columns and then go to the cell from the format, and then alignment is called alignment, that's called alignment, you can choose. And then here is the horizontal and vertical. Horizontal you can choose center. If you choose the center, okay, now your font is changes to the center, center of the cell is okay. There's font formatting and alignments, and you can also try the background. For example, if you select this, say from 2 to 16 of F, and then go to say from the format tab, say, and then background, you can choose as you like, okay. Now changing this, this called formatting cell, and then you can rename your sheet. Now you're using a sheet 1, so by double clicking, please double click here. If you double click here, you can choose, that's called OpenOffice, OpenOffice 2, that's called, sorry, OpenOffice, the better name should be formatting cell. Then formatting cell and auto fill, where you tell auto fill, okay. Now your auto fill, you can choose another sheet, and then you can choose nation, you can choose as you like, okay. That's called rename, okay. That's called from your now you can do up to this step. I believe you can do. Please try on please found yourself. If you have any problem, please let me know. Thank you for watching.